is Muhammad Iqbal Aiman bin Saidi with my partner Muhammad Mukhlis bin Muhammad Mahyudi from Section 17 of FYP1 with the guidance of our supervisor Dr. Mir Nasir Moyar Nazri. Regarding our system with the title What's the Job? It is an online platform that reaches out to IIM students who are searching for a part-time job in IIM. What this system is really about is that it opens some opportunities to students to earn some more pocket monies and also to help vendors to earn some help in their business. This system will also help students to pick the jobs based on their liking and experience to ensure that the students and the vendors will maintain a healthy relationship. A rating system will be provided for both parties to maintain the full quality of their work. In the problem statement, some problems that we are trying to solve is that the previous system, students have to manually search and ask around for any job vacancies, and by this, it is lacking in efficiency in the current job advertising system from the student side and also the vendor sides. Our main objective to solve this problem is that we are creating a new community between the employers and the students in order to maintain a good relationship by having an efficient and user-friendly system. We also want to decrease the time taken for the employers to get approval by going through the credentials and legibility of the business using this new system. Our target audience is by far for IIM students, the cafe and restaurant in IIM, and also some service providers. For our methodology, we are choosing waterfall model. Well, this is because in a waterfall model, a phase will start when the previous phase ends. So, by using this model, we can predict the timeline for our system to finish development. The development tools that we will use is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Visual Studio Code. As we can see, for our use case diagram, we have 11 use cases. For the student, they will have a register, login, job listing page, select job, click profile, add experience, and adding skill. For the employer, which is the vendors, they have a registering, login, posting job vacancies, and also accept some applicant. The admin job in this system is easy, which is to review the performance, which is our rating system, and also to update some content regarding the job listing. This is some of the screenshot from our prototypes. As we can see, this is the page where the job listing that the students will see when they want to apply some jobs. When they click in the more info part, more details of the job description will be print out. And this is the page for the students to change their profile and also add some more experience or skill to their profile. This is basically the homepage of our system. We tend to use a more simplified theme or simple theme because it will look more refreshing and more modern for the current days. Well, that's all for me. Thank you.
So Assalamualaikum. So this is our system's main page. So this is our job system title. What's the job? So this is our some just description, and also our system will be covering two users, which is the student is going to be the job applicant, and also the vendors who is going to post the job vacancies. So in this prototype, we are going to focus on the students. They have to register first. So the students must put all of these details and credentials, which is going to be a must, and they have to click the register button, which will redirect them to the main page, and they will sign in. So they will going to use their metric number as their username, and also they have to put their password. So after they sign in, it will redirect them to the job list page. So this is where the job descriptions will be, job vacancies will be, and this is the job description. So this is the brief one. So if we click into more info, and then there will be a more detailed job description. So they can either choose to apply or close this pop-up window, and then it also works on all jobs. So next, they will redirect to the student profile. So this student profile is where they can update the data that they have put when they registered in the first time. So this is where they can update them, all of this. And then this is the job experience. So job experience is where whenever they have managed to complete the job, so they will put the experience here, so that we can document them and put into the job history. And then we also can, so the students can also put skills which can match the job descriptions that they want. So this is the skill, and also the proficiency of themselves. So after this, they can put it, and then they can find the job that can match the descriptions. So next is the history. So this is where all the jobs have been accepted and they have attended. So this is where the jobs they have been will be, and this is for our report and documentation. It's easy for us to do the report and documentation for all the jobs that each student have been to. So that's all of our prototype. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.